In this video, I'll show you how to get more fish food on Temu. So for doing that, we have to complete the daily task on the Temu. When Temu is offering you simple rewards by completing easy daily tasks like click for click and surveys, then what's the point of searching for other ways to get more fish food for free? Daily tasks, like you might have guessed, the more you play and participate in, the more chances you will get more rewards. In addition to that, these tasks are not very hard, at least most of them, and you can start by doing simple tasks. You can get more fish food on Temu by also playing the games. There are plenty of games in options that offer you moderate rewards. In income indeed depends on the types of game you are playing, but the more you play, the harder games you try, the greater the rewards are. Then the referral programs. Referral programs might not be an ideal way to get more fish food on Temu without sharing, but if you know how things work with this program, then this is your call. You can start sharing your promo codes with every chance you have, not only in your private group but also in communities. Purchase fish food. Not exactly a proper way to get more fish food for free, but since the products on Temu are cheap, you can search for plenty of fish food on Temu and buy the cheapest one if you want. And I have also asked the customer service of the Temu how to get more fish food, and they have said me that there are several subtasks you can do. If you place an order on the specific page to purchase goods as required, you need to pay more than a certain amount. And you can get fish food rewards. If the order is returned, the fish food rewards issued will be withdrawn. And we can also earn the fish food by browsing the specified page for some second, and you can get fish food rewards. They have also said me to play the games, and they have also said me a number of people had already succeeded in getting rewards. Please invite more friends. So we have to share our referral code. We have to complete the tasks daily to meet the referral requirements. So here's how to get more fish food on Temu for free. Thank you.